Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and EIN number in the state of Maryland. This is going to be like a walkthrough tutorial, so click the link in the description below. That way I can show you on my screen at the same time you do it on yours, and we're just going to go step by step. This whole process is only about 5 minutes. It's really fast. I've seen tons of videos on YouTube that have all these chapters and they're like 30-40 minutes long. Trust me, you don't need to do all that. We can just fly right through this thing. So click the link in the description below and let's just get right into it. All right, so it's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website, and we're going to start by hitting Maryland. And now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions. And, oops. Now we're just going to click where you are currently with your business. And then what industry do you fall into? So as you start to type in a letter, you can see tons of options come up and they get really specific. So you can more than likely find a category that you fall into. And are you selling either a physical good or a service? So you can click whatever applies to you. If you want to click both, that works as well. And then are you planning to hire employees? So let's just say you don't have employees, you file your LLC and then you decide you do want to hire employees. It's completely fine. It's not going to affect your LLC and you won't have to refile anything. And where are you operating from? So if you have a storefront, you can use that zip code. If you don't, let's say you're mobile or selling online, you can use your home zip code. And then again, asking, are you selling online, at a shopper's store, or on the go? So select all that apply for you. And today we want to click LLC, so it's highlighted in blue, and also EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes. You're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point down the line, and probably within this year, you will need an EIN number. And I just like that Taylor Brands offers all this business stuff all in one place. So maybe you also need like a license for something or a logo designed. They can do all that for you. So click whatever else that you need or go back in later to check them out. But today we're just clicking these two here. This is a survey that we can skip, and we discovered Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, and you guys, Taylor Brands is offering a free 12-week business coaching program. First of all, it's free, so I like that, and if I can learn something to help me make more money, amazing, right? So click it if you want it, skip it if you don't. And now you're just going to type in your personal information. You create a password. Okay, again, it's asking, do you want Taylor Brands to create your EIN number for you, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you select this second option here to do it on your own, you can do that through the IRS website. But IRS website, you can only do it Monday through Friday. They don't allow you to do it on weekends. And in my opinion, government websites are kind of outdated and difficult to navigate. So for $99, Taylor Brands can do it for me. It saves me the stress and the hassle, and pretty much me just clicking this button is like all I have to do. So I feel like it's completely worth it. Okay, and as far as assigning a registered agent, it's basically a term for who is going to receive the mail in regards to your business LLC. So if you live in Maryland and you're opening your LLC in Maryland, you will be your own registered agent. Now, if you live in a different state and you're creating an LLC in Maryland, maybe for tax benefits or something like that, then you will need to appoint someone that has an address in Maryland. But again, most of you guys will be your own registered agent. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year, no matter what state you live in, you need to renew your LLC. So what happens if you forget to renew it? You have to pay a bunch of late fees and fines and just things we really don't want to pay for, right? So if you think you can handle the compliance on your own, you can save a little bit of money. But if you forget to renew it, in the long run, it's going to cost you more. If you want Taylor Brands to do it for you, they'll renew it every single year for $199. Just something to consider if you don't want that stress. So that would be this option here. And I'm going to click no on a branding toolkit. I would like to pay $49 for that 2-day expedited filing time, but if you can wait for 2 weeks, this option is here for you as well. And you don't need to worry about an operating agreement at all. So hit next. Would you like this formation kit? It's up to you. And this is definitely a good service to consider. So if you're serious about expanding your business, Taylor Brands will get you set up so you know where exactly all your finances are going. You're going to have your invoices, all of your bookkeeping is going to be super organized. They give you a free trial to test out the system, see if you like it, and then they give you like some price options at the end. Definitely recommend if you're serious about your business. If you don't want to do it, that's fine too. You can just manage your own books and invoices. And yes, we want to get notified about our LLC. And you guys, for today, we don't need to pay anything extra unless you want to, but we only need this light plan for your LLC and EIN number. And here's what we're paying for today. So the Maryland state filing fee is $155. That's just the mandated state fee for an LLC. We're getting that free business coaching program, and you're paying for that 2-day expedited filing for your grand total. Now, after your LLC is created, then they will charge you to create your EIN number. So don't be surprised when you see that second charge come in. That's just for your EIN number. Okay, so that's it. So now you're gonna, enter your credit card information. After this, it's gonna ask for your address, the address you wanna use. I always use my home address since I'm mobile. I don't have like a storefront, or maybe if you're e-commerce, you don't have a storefront. I've never received like spam mail, junk mail, anything like that. It's just for them to contact you if they need you for something in regards to your LLC. So highly recommend to use your home address if you don't have a storefront. If you do have a storefront, obviously you can use that. But that's it, you guys. You've just filed your LLC and EIN number. You can see this was really fast and easy, but if you do have questions, leave them in the comments below. That's it for now. I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.